All right, guys, here we go.
Alright guys, here we go. Getting in the dark horse. We're going for the white one. Those carbon fiber wheels look like trash. We want Mike Rockenfeller. He's a Mustang GT3 driver. So, this is the only manual car in this entire field. We've got Porsche, BMW, Lamborghini, Mercedes, Lexus. This is the only manual.
Ready to go for a ride?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go.
I've got a GT350. I prefer that over this.
I get it.
That high, you can't replace the revving.
That's a really cool car. Which year?
16.
Wow.
For tracking, I'm not a big fan of all that. Oh yeah. I love this track. I love it so much.
That's pretty nice.
Oh yeah. The brakes on this thing are really good. Wow. I'll cut that out.
It's strange when you just know the track with a race car.
I'm sure.
I have no clue. Nice car.
I love braking G's are just. There we go. Yeah, sounds like it. A tractor broke down. Wow, you really hammered it out of there. Who put the SUV in front? Come on. Wow.
Yeah, sorry, my first lap is not for sure not so impressive. But anyway, it's a cool car, man.
I'm good.
Quite impressed by the handling, actually.
You definitely feel it in the price tag now, though. I mean, a GT350 when it came out was like 60 grand.
Yeah.
Now the dark horses start at like 65, 70.
Yeah.
And then this one with the handling package, you can't find them for
How
like
much is it?
75, 80.